When you pursue Jesus, he isn't calling you to a list of rules or to look just like every other Christian, but a gradual realization that he is right and that everything you have known before is a lie. By voluntarily submitting to his wisdom, to the infinite truths of God that govern reality, we are able to become our truest selves. We are gifted specific truths and given the opportunity to embrace them. Will this result in many believers coming to the same conclusions? Yes, but rules aren't the cause, they are the effect. We are simply all responding to the same overwhelming call of the God that created everything.